Alright, hello everyone, Facebook, YouTube, anyone watching this video. I'm going to be showing you a tile cleaning job that I'm going to be doing here. Just take you through the steps and the processes. You can see we've got about 1 foot tiles through this kitchen area, and the tiles look, the grout and the tiles look pretty dark. The tiles themselves look like they've got a little bit of dirt on them. But they're kind of a natural finish here. But as you look around, let's see if I can draw this out. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting in here. Let me see if I can fix this. Get a little better lighting, not sure. So the lightness, you can see it's actually a little bit lighter. This is the original color of the grout there in the corners that hasn't had all of the wear on it. But then it gets pretty dark here in the middle of the kitchen area, and so we're going to try and see what I can do, see if we can get that grout color back to its lighter color. Again, you can see it right here. This is where it's the lighter color, and then you can see some of the darkness, the staining that has kind of set in from food or just traffic or grease or oil or who knows what. So I'm going to use my tile and grout cleaning solution. It's an all natural solution called Carpet Details, but it works on everything. And I'm going to mix that into my sprayer. So I'll just show you my sprayer right here, and we'll get that solution mixed in. We're going to put it on the floor, let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to agitate it with the yellow brush on the drill. We'll get in the grout lines really good, and that'll pull up a lot more dirt. We'll make sure we scrub the tiles, and then I'm going to soak up all of the dirt and grime, and then by the next day, it takes about 24 hours. It should dry, and we should hopefully get that tile color back to this lighter tile color. So we'll take a look, we'll see how this works, and I'm going to get right to it. Alright, so we got our sprayer going here. Alright, we're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to start agitating it. Alright, next I want to make sure we get all the way up in the corners. Make sure all the details get taken care of. Any area the drill couldn't get. See the dirt starting to pull up nicely here. There we go. And then after this, we're gonna soak it up with a scrub pad, and if we need to, rinse it again. looking good. I'm seeing a lot of good dirt coming up off this. So I know our product is working well. Let's get over here. Alright, just to show you really quick how much dirt is coming up off this floor. You can see on the side where this pad was completely white and now it is very dark. So we're picking up a lot of good dirt. So so far everything's looking great. I'm going to change out this pad and keep working on getting this dirt pulled up, and then after it dries we'll take a look at the results. Alright, so at this point right now we've got all the water removed, and now we're just going to have to wait for the grout to dry, and that'll take 24 hours, and then we'll take a look at it tomorrow. It should be nice and clean tomorrow. Get that original grout color back in this kitchen, which was a light brown color, and I'll take some pictures of that then so you can see that. Okay, so right here now you can see how dark the old area is that hasn't been cleaned yet, and then we'll come on down here into the cleaned area and see how much lighter the grout lines are. So the cleaning was a success. It went very well. Show you some more of these lighter grout lines. The floor looks fantastic. And you can see all around nice clean tiles.